Hi folks, my name is Amit Bhartiya. I earned my bachelor's degree in business administration from Jain University in Bangalore. Post that, I worked with Ernst & Young India for 2 years and with Flipkart for 1 year before I joined the first batch of students at Acceleri's newest campus in Delhi NCR. I started off by taking a self-diagnostic test and I solved one of the previous year's XAT question papers. It showed me that I had a lot of ground to cover up in the quantitative ability section, and the first phase of my efforts was focused on building a foundation in that. XAT also has a very unique decision-making section that requires the candidates to wear a managerial hat, and I prepared for that by solving the DM questions from the previous papers themselves. The verbal ability and the logical reasoning section requires one to be very comfortable with reading and comprehending English. And I was already an avid reader. I loved reading fiction and non-fiction. And I added newspapers and online journalism to my diet to help me prepare for that section and the general knowledge section. The primary tool in my preparation for that were the previous year question papers, and I had also subscribed to an online mock test series. So combined, I had written about 15 to 16 mocks in a 2-month period for my preparation for that. That helped me develop a strategy for actual test day on how I would approach each section and how I would divide those 180 minutes between the quants, the DM and the VALR sections. As I was a working professional throughout my preparation for XAT, the main challenge I faced was to manage my time and energy between my office and my studies. During the weekdays before leaving for work and after coming back from it, I used to make sure that I sit and solve some questions from each of the 3 sections that appear in XAT. And during the weekends, I used to solve a full-length mock and I analyzed them after solving them on the Saturday and the Sunday. So in that way, throughout the week, throughout the 2-month period, I was engaged and I had my mind engaged in solving problems that usually appear in XAT in some capacity or the another. So consistency and keeping my mind active was the key, and it helped me overcome the challenge of not being able to put the right quantity, and I made up for that by dedicating a lot of quality in the time that I had given for my preparation. Also, I used to keep myself physically active and I used to make sure that I get a decent amount of sleep, because those are the 2 things that actually have a very high impact on your mental performance. And keeping my mind active and keeping my body active throughout the 2-month period and really taking care of my health is probably something that candidates who appear for XAT this time should really, given this current situation, they should really keep in mind.